Hi everyone, I'm Bobo, a Garmin product trainer. Garmin's latest rangefinder, the Approach Z10, is coming soon. Compared to the previous generation Approach Z30, there is a $100 price difference. What are the feature differences? How do they compare? This video will walk you through all the key highlights. First, let's take a look at the design. Both the Z10 and Z30 retain the two-button design, with the same weight of 210 grams, while maintaining an excellent lightweight feel. The Z30 features a transparent OLED display, while the Z10 uses a PDLC display. PDLC itself is not a display panel that emits images like OLED or LED. Instead, it is an optical material that adjusts transparency through electrical current. Both models continue to use a replaceable CR2 battery, with battery life lasting up to 1 year. The overall dimensions are generally similar, and both provide 6 times magnification, along with vibration feedback when locking onto the flag. The key difference is that the Z30 provides a maximum measuring range of 400 yards to the flag, while the Z10 offers a maximum measuring range of 350 yards. On the display, the Z30 shows data in red, while the Z10 displays data in black. The PlaysLike Distance feature adjusts yardages based on elevation changes, helping you choose the correct club for uphill or downhill shots. View distances to the front and back of the green, but these features only appear after pairing with a compatible device. If the rangefinder is not connected to another device, front and back green distances will not be displayed. It requires GPS data from a compatible device to display those distances. Sync measured flag distances to the Garmin Golf app, compatible smartwatches, or handheld devices, and view a laser range arc showing all course information within that distance. A built-in magnetic cart mount makes ranging quick and convenient while riding in a golf cart. An external indicator light lets you and other players know when tournament mode is enabled. When paired with the Garmin Golf app, you can use the Find My Garmin feature to locate a rangefinder left behind on the course. That wraps up our comparison of the Garmin Approach Z10 and Z30. If you'd like to learn more about these products, visit the Garmin official website for full product details and find the model that best fits your needs. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know which product comparisons you'd like to see next.